Most cars don't die because they're old. They're murdered by their owners. Dealerships and car manufacturers won't tell you this, but the official maintenance schedule is designed to get you past the warranty, not past 300,000 miles. That's why the average driver barely makes it to 100,000 before facing massive repairs, while my own cars have pushed well over 700,000 miles. Today, I'm exposing 12 brutally honest tricks that keep engines alive for decades and make greedy mechanics furious. Stick around, because the last tip takes just 1 second and can literally save you $5,000 in repairs. Trick 1. Stick to the 3K oil rule. Most people follow the dealer's recommended oil change interval of 10,000 to 15,000 miles, thinking they're saving time and money. But under the hood, I've seen what really happens when engines go that long without fresh oil. Thick sludge cakes onto pistons, cams, and passages like burnt lasagna. Engines cook themselves from the inside out, all while the driver thinks everything's fine. The truth is, those long intervals are designed to get the car past warranty, not to last 300,000 miles. In real driving, short trips, cold starts, and stop-and-go traffic, oil breaks down much faster. That's why my shop rule is every 3,000 miles with conventional oil or 5,000 to 7,000 with full synthetic. Yes, it costs a little more, but $40 today beats $4,000 for a rebuild later. Trick 2. Drive slowly. Don't idle. A lot of drivers think idling their car for 10 minutes every morning is warming it up. What it's really doing is slowly killing the engine. I've drained oil so contaminated with fuel that it poured out like black water. Sitting too long lets raw fuel wash down cylinder walls, stripping away the thin protective film of oil. That fuel thins out your lubricant and turns expensive synthetic into sludge. Trick 3. Stop after the pump clicks. That extra squeeze after the pump clicks off isn't getting your money's worth. It's flooding your emission system. I've replaced countless charcoal canisters ruined because drivers topped off their tanks. These repairs cost anywhere from $350 to $900. Gas tanks are designed with an airspace so vapors can vent properly. When you overfill, liquid fuel gets forced into vapor lines, damaging sensors and valves and choking the EVAP system. I've even seen raw gas pouring out of vent lines like a popped balloon. If you want your car to last, when the pump clicks, walk away. Every overfill shaves life off a system that's expensive to repair. Trick 4. Don't follow the transmission fluid myth. Most drivers ignore their transmission until it slips, and by then, the damage is done. Unlike engine oil, transmission fluid doesn't get topped off regularly. It sits there, breaking down over thousands of miles. By 60,000, that bright red fluid is hiding metal shavings, clutch dust, and varnish. It turns into liquid sandpaper grinding through your gears. The fix is simple. Drain and fill every 60,000 miles or 6 years. 90,000 for hybrids, but never flush a neglected transmission. You'll wash away the sludge holding it together. Always stick to OEM fluid. Trick 5. Coast early to save brakes. Slamming your brakes at every stoplight isn't sporty driving. It's a fast track to $900 repair bills. Every panic stop sends rotor temps soaring over 1,200 degrees, warping rotors, glazing pads, and boiling brake fluid. I've seen perfectly good brakes destroyed in under a year just from aggressive braking habits. Instead, ease off early and coast to a stop. Use engine braking when going downhill. It's free protection. This driving style can double the lifespan of your pads and rotors. And when it's time to replace parts, don't cheap out. Stick with OEM or proven brands like Akebano or Advikes. Cheap pads eat through rotors, squeal like banshees, and cost you more in the long run. Trick 6. Flush coolant before it warps. Modern aluminum engines are unforgiving. Just one overheating episode can warp the head and blow a gasket. I've seen a Tacoma owner ignore the temp gauge for 8 minutes. The repair bill? $3,800. To prevent this, flush coolant every 3 to 5 years, depending on type. Check levels monthly and never mix colors. Red, green, yellow, or blue aren't interchangeable. Manufacturers design systems for specific coolants, and using the wrong one corrodes passages, damages gaskets, and destroys radiators. And remember, if your needle ever hits red, pull over immediately and shut down. Don't limp it home, tow it. That one choice can mean the difference between a $200 tow bill and a $4,000 engine replacement. Trick 7. Check coolant leaks. Coolant doesn't evaporate. If it's low, it's leaking. Topping off every week isn't maintenance. It's masking a bigger problem. Sometimes it's obvious, like a cracked radiator or hose. Other times it's hidden. A failing water pump, a heater core leaking into the cabin, or a slow head gasket leak steaming out the exhaust. The only way to know for sure is a pressure test. Cold engine, pump it to spec, and watch for a drop. That's how you catch the killer before it strikes. I've seen drivers ignore this, topping off for months until their engine turned into scrap metal. Trick 8. Dump the junk. Your SUV isn't a dump truck. Every extra 100 pounds in the back adds over 1,000 pounds of stress during hard stops. I've seen sagging springs, blown shocks, and bent control arms from customers who overloaded their crossovers with gear. One guy hauled 800 pounds of tools for a weekend job. Within 2 months, his suspension was toast. $1,400 in repairs, plus new tires. Trick 9. Catch weird sounds early. Ticking, clunking, whining. Every strange noise is your car begging for help. Ignoring it is like muting a smoke alarm. I've seen $40 belt squeals turn into $1,200 alternator jobs. A faint clunk? That was a bad CV joint that eventually snapped and took out the axle. One customer ignored a ticking noise for months. Turned out it was low oil starving the lifters. He paid with a full engine teardown. The trick is to track the sound. When does it happen, hot or cold, at speed or over bumps? Then get it checked. Small fixes are cheap. Big failures destroy cars. Trick 10th. Stop riding the clutch. For manual drivers, resting your foot on the clutch pedal feels harmless, but it's burning your clutch alive. Even light pressure keeps it partially engaged, creating heat and grinding down the disc. I've replaced clutches roasted in just 40,000 miles because of this bad habit. Repairs run $1,200 to $1,500. The fix is simple. Foot off the pedal unless you're shifting. At stoplights, shift into neutral. On hills, use the handbrake instead of slipping the clutch. Do this and you can triple clutch life. Ignore it, and you'll be buying new parts long before your car's ready to retire. Trick 11. Follow the quarter tank rule. Gas pumps are cooled and lubricated by the fuel in your tank. Run too low, and the pump sucks hot air, overheating itself and burning out seals. I've replaced $600 pumps with less than 80,000 miles simply because the owner always drove on fumes. Worse, running low stirs up the sediment at the bottom of the tank. That gunk clogs filters and injectors, causing rough idle, hesitation, and long-term engine wear. The fix is easy. Always keep at least a quarter tank. You don't have to fill up all the way, but never let it drop too low. A little discipline here saves thousands later. Trick 12. Upgrade to quality plugs. Spark plugs are cheap. Engines aren't. I've pulled plugs so worn they could barely fire. Electrodes burned down, misfires everywhere, and the damage spread. Fried coils, melted pistons, and ruined catalytic converters. Don't trust 100,000-mile plugs. In real-world driving, start checking at 60,000, especially on direct injection engines. Stick with proven brands. Spark plugs may be tiny, but they're the heartbeat of your engine. Every single time you press the start button or turn the key, they ignite the fuel-air mixture that gives your engine life. When they're fresh and healthy, your car runs like a dream. Smooth idle, strong acceleration, and efficient fuel burn. But when they're worn or fouled, everything begins to unravel. I've seen plugs so corroded and burnt that the spark could barely jump the gap. That single weak spark causes misfires, sluggish performance, and rough idling. Left unchecked, it can even melt pistons or fry ignition coils, turning a $60 maintenance job into a $2,000 repair nightmare. Manufacturers love to advertise 100,000-mile spark plugs, but that's marketing fantasy. In the real world, where you deal with traffic, short trips, and stop-and-go commutes, spark plugs often start breaking down after just 50,000 to 60,000 miles. Cold starts, oil vapor, and carbon buildup eat away at the electrodes. If you actually want your car to last forever, these 12 habits are non-negotiable. Most drivers ignore them, and that's why their engines fail long before mine ever did. But if you're serious about saving thousands in repairs, don't stop here. Click on this video right now where I expose the dirtiest car scams mechanics use to empty your wallet. Trust me, you'll thank me later.